topic is composition and delegation of classes. The composition is a type of association between the objects. Here the composition is you place the class in a container, so once a container object is destroyed and contained object will also destroy as well. So here the container is responsible for creating objects. The objects inside the contains class will not be exposed to the container. So here it is a container. This container has got the class human. The leg and hand objects are in the members of human class, and it is private to the human, so that those objects are not exposed to the container class. So human class has a flexibility to add or remove these objects and change the runtime behavior of the objects. So this type of association is called composition. Let's see with the real-time example. We have an UI interface and we have a panel, and we will place the UI elements on the panel. So each UI element is a rectangle. So the UI element interface has methods to get height and width. So the rectangle, so each UI element is a rectangle, so it implements the UI element, and then this rectangle have a members of the coordinates of the x and y, and then it implements the methods that UI element in methods of that UI element interface, and it gives the height and width. So here the panel is a container to place the UI elements on the panel. So panel itself is a rectangle. So panel creates the instance of rectangle. Here the panel, we have a panel, the panel user interface panel. The panel will have the UI elements. So each UI element is a rectangle. It implements the UI element interface to get the height and width of the panel. So here the delegation pattern is that the panel itself is a rectangle, and it implements the UI element interface and the methods in the UI interface, and the implementation of that methods is delegate to an object. So that is delegation. Let's code for it, and I have an interface UI element, and it has got methods get width, and it returns the int, and but get height, it returns the int. So I have a class rectangle, val x1 it is int, and val x2 is int, and val y coordinates, and val y1 is int, and val y2 is int, and this is x1. It implements the interface UI element. So I need to implement this, implement the members. So it returns width x2 minus x1, and it returns y2 minus y1. So class panel create instance of the rectangle. because panel itself is a rectangle. So panel needs the rectangle instance. So panel itself is a rectangle, so it gets the object of rectangle. It create instance of rectangle. What is, and to get the height and width of the panel, so that has to implement the interface UI element. The calls for the methods of UI element interface delegate to an object. So that here in this case is delegate to the rectangle. So let's create a panel instance and panel, and then so x1 is 10, and then say width of 50, and y1 is y coordinates are 10 and 60. So when I print, get width is should be 40 and get height is 50. So this delegates to the rectangular object. So these methods, this delegates to the rectangular objects. So when I call get width and get height, and these rectangular class object methods will be called. If we want to override that to have a different implementation, it's already got methods. Kotlin compiler delegates to the rectangle and also adds the methods to this panel class, and if you want to override it, you can override it. Because say it's a number of UI elements in that rectangle, say it's adding the number of UI elements in the rectangle, adding the height of the all UI elements become the panel height. You can say that. So just we can add some that, get the list of rectangles, and then add the list of rectangular heights, and then can add this. So displays as 100. So here it is 2 points to be conclude. One is that composition. So rectangular, the implementation of the get width and get height is not exposed to the container class here panel, and this is private to the rectangular class, and rectangular class has flexibility to change the behavior of the class, and change the runtime types, and runtime behaviors can be changed without impacting the panel class. And second point is delegation. So panel implements the UI element, and the calls for that methods in the UI element delegate to an object. Here in this case delegate to the rectangle, so that these rectangular methods, the methods of this rectangular object will be called, and this mapping and this Kotlin compiler, for this mapping, and Kotlin compiler adds the boilerplate code to this panel class. So that's about the composition and the delegation pattern.